Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. There is really nothing really reliable about the microstructure here at the moment. We're still dealing with a downtrend, clearly, okay? And we also clearly haven't seen any five-wave move to the upside from a low point. So the price action is corrective up, corrective down. Doesn't really give us any clarity on the micro level. The idea that the overall context is that a third wave likely topped here in March, end of March, when the price touched the $3.50 level. That was the 1.236 Fibonacci extension at $3.41. Very important level there. And yeah, that level is so far, well, that level did or the price reacted to that level because it acted as resistance, and since then we've seen only a move to the downside, no five-wave movement anymore to the upside, and the correction so far is still ongoing. However, the price has now reached a support zone which starts at $1.08. So we have support between $1.08 and 52 cents for a wave 4 correction. But bear in mind what I said, the third wave was weaker than ideal. So in previous videos, I mentioned that the third wave was actually too weak to be a trustworthy or reliable third wave. That means we have to be on the side of caution because the fourth wave now needs to hold 52 cents. Ideally, it holds the 75 cent level. Any break below 75 cents already indicates a lot of weakness. And to keep an, let's say, optimistic outlook for FET, I'd really like it to turn around to the upside in a fifth wave, which could take us to $5, $6, $7, $8 before it breaks below 75 cents. Okay, even though we have to have that buffer zone, that additional buffer down to 52 cents in case there is some volatility, you know. In the very short term, however, there is really nothing reliable about this. I mean, the different ways how this could be tracked. We could say that possibly, you know, an ABC wave count to the downside could be completed. The problem is that the rally that we've seen from the 5th of July low was only in 3 waves. So I haven't got any confirmation, you know, that the low was in. I would have 5 waves up would help. 5 up, 3 down. Instead, we've seen only 3 waves to the upside, but we're forming a higher low at the moment. At least there is no lower low at this stage, so it might still go higher somehow. And there are many options. You know, we could say, okay, maybe the wave 4 bottomed here, and this could just be the wave 1 of another diagonal. This could be the wave 2, and then we do another ABC in a third wave. You know, very, very messy structures. Definitely, I can tell you, there is nothing clear about this on the micro level, and therefore we just need further price action to guide us. In the meantime, you can use the support area to position yourselves if you want to, but I can tell you there is nothing clear about this microstructure. And what is important is, I think, to watch for a breakout of these trend lines. I'm observing here a possible triangle. Now that could be in the yellow wave count, an A wave up, then the triangle could be a B wave triangle with a C wave up to come to form a larger corrective pattern. That's possible. A direct break to the downside would indicate that, well, some kind of a B wave triangle formed here and we broke out to the downside. So you see it's very balanced probabilities, yeah. But the $1.08 level is next support, and below that level is 75 cents. And then I think the trend lines can be used to get an idea of the direction the market wants to take. Triangles are usually a representation of a balance of forces at the moment. So the market also has no idea what it wants to do, still trying to figure it out. So we have to have patience, you know. That's why I've been highlighting to you, like, for the last few weeks, there isn't really anything clear here. And so far, the market really only moved sideways. So nothing, no clear direction, no clear trend, still corrective price action. Most people lose money when trying to trade corrective prices or price structures. Therefore, it's best to either stay on the larger time frame or just have some patience to wait for a breakout. And yeah, we're getting into the apex of a triangle, and an upside breakout could send us to around about $1.67 or higher. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.